So when you were in geometry, you probably learned sohcahtoa, which relates to right triangles. And the reason that they use this acronym, of course, is because the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent side to the angle divided by the hypotenuse. And the tangent side of an angle is equal to the opposite side, the side that's opposite the angle divided by the side that's adjacent to the angle. And so your teacher probably just taught you to remember that by using sohcahtoa. So a couple things here. One is that maybe you don't have a side length. So this is a side length. And what I'm noticing is that it's the side length that's opposite of the angle. So here's the angle, and the side that's opposite it is the thing that I'm missing. But I do also notice that I have the hypotenuse. So what I'm looking at is the information given to me is hypotenuse. I need the opposite, and I have the angle. And so the thing that I'm going to use, opposite, hypotenuse, angle, is going to be sine. So sine of 16 degrees is going to equal opposite side, which in this case is x, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 40. And if I multiply each side by 40, I can get my answer for x. Now the one thing you have to be really careful about in this problem is what you're doing on your calculator. So if you look at your calculator here, the first thing that I would do is check my mode by clicking that mode button. And notice how I'm in radians. I'm going to go to that third level, or third row, and I'm just going to hit enter on degree. And then I'm going to quit out of mode by hitting second quit. And now I can go ahead and put in my 40 times the sine of 16 degrees because I'm in degrees mode. And I'll get my answer, which is 11.02. So now I know x is around 11 meters or whatever. The next problem is a little bit different because, let's see, this time I'm missing the angle. I have the opposite side and I have the adjacent side. Adjacent means touching. And so opposite, adjacent, it looks like this time I'll be using tangent because of that opposite and adjacent. So I'm going to say tangent of some degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. But now I want to get this degrees alone. And the method to do that is to take tan inverse of 13 divided by 25. So I'm already in the proper mode. I put it in degrees mode. So this time I'm just going to hit second tan, and that'll give me tan inverse 13 divided by 25. And I see that it's about 27 or 28 degrees. So 28 degrees.